beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Veronica, and in today's video I'm going to show you one brand makeup tutorial. Every product which I'm going to use is from Swiss Beauty. It's like I'm also going to use this Swiss Beauty product for the first time. From like brushes to makeup and like everything I'm going to use is from Swiss Beauty brand. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So beauties, right now I'm not wearing any makeup on my face, like nothing. I just removed my makeup and I'm bare skin right now. So you can see, so let's get started. So let's start with the Swiss Beauty brushes pack, and you can see the packaging is amazing, this glitter box and everything. So let's see about their brushes. Okay. Bristles are beauty super soft, trust me, and let's see how it works. Then this is the powder brush. Then there is flat brush for eyeshadow, then eyeshadow smudging brush, then it is having eyebrow brush and one brush also, and this eyebrow brush. I just love its brush. It is having spoolie on one side, and on the other you're going to fill your eyebrows with this. Okay, so I'm going to use Swiss Beauty brushes today, and I have taken it out, and let's get started. So the first thing which I'm going to use on my face is this Swiss Beauty makeup base highlighting primer. I haven't opened it yet. This is my first time I'm using all product of this Swiss Beauty. Let me open this. Okay, so packaging is nice. It has a glass bottle with the pump. So here I am taking one pump of this makeup base. I think one is less. I have to take more. I'm taking another pump. It smells good. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is super moisturizing. So the best thing is that this is very moisturizing, non-sticky and non-greasy, and it gives a beautiful glow to my face. Trust me, I just love this makeup base. This is very nice. So now beauties, let's proceed to our second thing, which is this foundation. This is Swiss Beauty high coverage waterproof base foundation, silk touch, create the nude makeup. So okay, so let's see. I'm taking the Swiss Beauty foundation brush and taking a pump of it, and I'm in the shade 02 Rose Blush. This is very bright, I guess. This brush is really nice, very soft on skin. So beauties, I'm taking one more pump actually, because this foundation is not at all high cover, not at all. This foundation is like a BB or CC cream, because this is not going to give you a coverage. So this is like a okay foundation, not so good. So beauties, after foundation I am going to use the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, cover the blemishes at one stroke, what it claims. And let's get see. I'm in the shade Stand Stable. I really don't know. Okay, thank God it's in a yellow tone. I'm using the same brush Okay Beauties, concealer is good. You can see it just hides my dark circle, and though I don't have that much of dark circle, but still it hides that and it gives a beautiful glow. It blends very smoothly, Beauties. This concealer blends on your skin like flawlessly, I must say. A big thumbs up for this concealer, Beauties. This Swiss Beauty concealer, liquid concealer is really amazing. It just gave a beautiful glow to my face and it covered my blemishes. And I'm a little bit having that acne marks and it really covers that. My next product is Swiss Beauty Eyebrow and Eyeliner 2-in-1 actually. It comes in a beautiful case like this. On the top you are having a eyebrow powder, and you're having a gel liner too. So it's like a 2-in-1, and you are going to get a brush with this for the eyebrow filling and for this gel liner. Whoa, this eyebrow powder is good. So Beauties, here I am done with my brows. Okay, this powder is really good. Now I'm going for my eyeshadow, and here I bought this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. Where it is? Yes, I'm in the shade, okay, what's the shade is 9 color eyeshadow palette, Swiss Beauty. Shade number is 06. Okay, I just love their shade actually. So here I'm taking this brush and I'm starting with this nude, putting the product actually. This is super pigmented, I must say. Beauties, this eyeshadow is super pigmented. Beauties, this eyeshadow is like, just take this darker shade and apply it on the outer edge of your eyelid like this. I'm taking this a lighter coral shade and putting it in my inner corner like this. Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadow actually, my inner corner of my eyes like this. Whoa, wait. Like this. Applying this, Beauties, is super easy. Just take a darker shade, apply it on the outer edge, then take a lighter shade, apply it on your inner edge, and then just put the glitter on it. That's it. It is super duper easy. Now Beauties, I'm taking this gel eyeliner and going to apply it on my eyes. I'm going to make a wing. Now I'm going to take this brown shade and going to apply it on my lower lashes like this. So Beauties, eyeshadow, I just give a good eyeshadow, is very pigmented. The glitter one is also too good. Liner is amazing because they are like super duper affordable with a good pigmented and a good texture, good pigmented product, I must say. And they are like eyebrows, and that eyebrow powder again is really amazing. So now let's proceed to our next step, which is applying blush, and this is Swiss Beauty Indian Red 09 Indian Red. This is the beautiful coral red shade, and I'm taking this Swiss Beauty blush and I'm taking a little amount of it and putting it like this on my cheeks. Oh wait, this blush is again a very pigmented one. I am in love with this Swiss Beauty blush. This is not at all matte blush. This is gonna give you a beautiful glow to your face. And this shade again, this Indian Red shade is amazing. Last but not the least, applying this Swiss Beauty Soft Matte Lip Cream, and I'm in the shade N08 Epic Magenta. So this is the shade of Epic Magenta, a beautiful rose pink shade. This is very light on your lips, non-cracky and like non-drying at all. This is a very light wear liquid lipstick and very good for your office wear and your regular wear. For this liquid lipstick, Swiss Beauty Soft Matte Lip Cream Lipstick, liquid lipstick is very nice. You can just go for it. Beauty is super affordable. I think all makeup of like everything of this Swiss Beauty is super affordable. I'm going to apply this Swiss Beauty Long Lasting Makeup Fixer Natural. Okay, let's see. This is the carton and this is the bottle. Okay, beauties, I usually just hate that strong smell from makeup fixer, but this smell is not that much harsh. So let's try. So this makeup fixture will gonna give you a glow to your face. This is like not mattifying makeup fixer. This is a little bit dewy finish, and I just love it. I just loved it, this makeup fixture. So here I'm done. So beauty, this is my final look, and I literally love Swiss Beauty products. They are really good, except the foundation, because foundation they say it's a high coverage, but no, not at all. Foundation is not at all high coverage. It's a very basic, a very lightweighted foundation. It's more like a CC or BB cream actually. And the lip cream and eyeshadow, eyebrow powder, then gel liner, they are super pigmented. So it's a big thumbs up. If you are a teenager, if you want a very budget, and even if you're an office going person and you want a very budget friendly makeup kit, then I think you should go with this Swiss Beauty products, and because they are really good with a budget, within a budget, and with a good that pigmented products. So hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any requested videos, just comment it. Queries, just comment it. Do follow me on Instagram and please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.